Alright everybody, today we're going to have a quick little video here because I want to show you this pretty cool little thing I got. This is the Shoot Parrot Minidrone battery charger. Now, you know when you usually charge a battery with the Mambo or the Swing or anything like that, you pop the battery in and then you have to plug a USB cable in here while it's in there charging. Sometimes that can be a pain, okay? Now this thing was $22 and it comes with, I'm going to show you here, a charger, 3 batteries, and the micro USB cable. So all you have to do, and now these batteries here have like 100, these are 660s, and these are 550. So these are like 110 milliamp hour more. Now I used them and I don't see much difference in the flight time, you know, the 5 minutes or whatever. But supposedly they are 110 milliamp hours larger, but you know, I don't know. But you got 3 batteries plus the charger for $22. And you just plug the batteries in here and it'll charge, you know, the Parrot batteries as well as, you know, these batteries. It'll charge either one of them because they have to be identical for them to work. The design. So you just line the pins up in there and you plop it on in there. You plug it into your computer or whatever I'm using this little portable thing here because I don't have no computer sitting here. And you just plug them in there, plug that in there like that, and turn the power to it. And there it goes. And it charges all 3 at the same time. It doesn't charge one and then flip to the other one and then flip to the other one. It charges all 3 at once, which is pretty cool. You know, that's a pretty good deal right there. So you got, you know, 3 extra batteries plus this multi-charger for $22. And so I think that's a pretty good deal. Anyway, I'll put a link down there. It's an eBay thing, and I checked it today to make sure the thing is still around, and it is. So, you know, it's still available out there if you want to get one. If you, you know, because I have 3 of these. So, check it out. If you're interested, check it out. I mean, it's not one of them sponsored links. I don't do that kind of stuff, you know. I don't get into that sponsored link stuff. So, if you want to look into it, look into it. If you don't, don't. Okay, so there you go. All right, guys, have a nice day.